of the current leadership challenges, I just want to take a few moments now to consider some of the current pressing issues facing leaders in the hybrid world. So here are just some of the challenges leaders are currently kind of facing. Again, some of the kind of general things that they're facing. Maintaining and building morale, building that inclusive, equitable kind of workplace, managing that remote workers, redesigning the team experience, trust is in there, re-energizing team members. Sometimes, you know, there's an awful lot of people that are now at that kind of burnout stage or very close to it, and they just haven't got that, you know. And again, you know, as we found ourselves with the news over the last few days and things, it's like, you know, here we go again kind of thing. Effective communication, which we spoke about, and just reconfiguring the kind of structures, organizational structures and kind of workflows. And of course, we cannot forget the environment that leaders are kind of having to find ways of solving these challenges in. And of course, that environment, and I'm sure, you know, we hear about this from all corners of the earth, the Great Resignation, as it's been dubbed. At the current time, it's reported that 48% of the world's workforce are looking for alternative employment. And here in the UK, and I do believe that this number has actually risen since I actually made a note of it, in the UK there are 1.1 million vacancies, which is a record high. I'm sure I heard the other day that had risen to something 1.4, 1.6. And of course, this isn't just a challenge for hybrid leadership, but it's a strong reason why organisations now have to reimagine the employee experience, take heed of the changing expectations and attitudes to work. Employees are now in the driving seat, and organisations who choose to ignore their employees stand to lose out in that talent market, having long-term implications, obviously, for the sustainability of the business.